Code Coach. Today we're talking about box fill and table 314-16A for metal boxes. We're also going to talk about 314-16B for your conductor size, and we're also going to talk about 250.122, which is grounding conductor size. All right, so here's a good example of a metal box. All right, I want you to note here is all number 10 wire, and you see that on your conductors where they're marked, number 10. They're all conductors have to be marked, right? So here's an example of home run. You got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then this is 17, this ground. You just got one ground here because it's less than the allotted amount. So all that comes in, and when you go back to the table, you'll see, because this box isn't stamped on here. Normally they have it stamped on the back of the box in there, but this isn't. When it isn't in the table, it goes by 16th. So this is a 4 and 11/16 by 2 1/8, and that max amount is 42 cubic inches. If you take and add them up, so you got 17 total, because you count your ground one time and all your hots and neutrals. For number 10 is 2.5. So 2.5 times 17 is 42.5. Your max allowance is 42. And then the other thing to keep in mind is your grounding size, because a lot of people, they'll put like a number, like a 12 wire, they'll put a 12 wire ground, or they can use a 14 wire ground. But then where it changes is at anything over 30 amps. Then you got to start putting in like a number 10, and then that table sizes your ground. Anything over 100 amps, then you go up, again. So be mindful of that when you're looking at conductor sizes. Also be mindful of box fill when you're looking at your conductors for your home runs, because this doesn't even count for any devices or anything like that, and they're already oversized. So that's a good example of things to be looking for.